All right, so today I have this hammer. It's the hammerhead it's a 4-pound hammerhead. Is that 4 pounds? Yeah, 4 pounds. That was welded at one point. It had a metal handle, and eventually that handle gave out and it failed. And of course, this was given to me by a paisa that we used to call Piolin. Piolin gave this to me. And I guess Piolin was a, I don't know if he's still around doing that business, but he was a metal collector guy. And one day he came over here to the house and collected a shitload of metal from here that I was throwing out. And I asked him for this hammer because I thought it was pretty cool. And then one day when I was using it to split wood, it failed on me. And that was the end of that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind this out right here. And then after grinding it out, I have this Trooper. Oh, I thought this was a Trooper, sorry. I have this Trooper handle that comes with the wedge and the little stakes to stake it in. So and I was doing the research before I purchased this guy, and it is for this type of hammer. And as I was looking at it, sure enough, the head, the hole, and the stem of this hammer are pretty much the same. So it's gonna go in about right there. Maybe if I could drive it in a little deeper. So I'm gonna have to work this. First things first, though, I gotta get this guy out. And I have this little wedge right here that I found in the yard when I was cleaning it up, and it's an awesome little wedge. So I think what I'm gonna do is probably wire wheel it and get it nice and clean. It's all pitted and shit, and so it's been out in the mud for a really long time. So anyways, that's what's going on today. I got about an hour. Let's see if in that time that I do have, if we could get this little job done. All right, so here we are. We've ground it out, and it's a little warm to the touch. It'll probably get hot if I hold it long enough, but let me put that right there and point the camera to it right here. All right, so we are at the point now where, if you notice that little line right there, that little line all the way around, that is the section of pipe that we want to cut out. So I think it's ready to come out. I think we've removed enough material now that it's probably ready to come out. So next, I think I could take this guy here and hit it with a hammer coming in from the top, striking that piece of pipe, and it should come out. So let me get some pieces to hold it up, and I'll be right back. All right, so for this job here, I'm going to use a punch and a hammer. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strike that piece of pipe there. Come out. Is it moving? Yeah, it's moving. It's gonna require a little more persuasion though. All right, so upon further examination, it looks like it has a like a shoulder in there, and it's not a straight hole. I don't know if it's been bored out or if it's the weld. I can't tell what it is, but the hole definitely has a shoulder in it. That's all right. We'll just go ahead and send it anyways. But before we do, so here's the handle. The handle fits in nicely as I start working it in. But before I do all that, I'm gonna clean this up. It's got some burrs in it, and I want to deburr it. All right, so there it is. It's deburred, nice and smooth. Well, no, it needs a little bit more right there. Still has a little bit of extra material there. Looks like I'm going to need the might be able to take that out with that flap wheel. That's a lot better. There you go. All right. So now that is completely smooth all the way around. I had to wear it down a bit, but it's all right. Okay, now I gotta give it a little cleansing. A little bit of cleansing there. So what we got to cleanse it with? Oh, I saw a brush somewhere around here. Cleansing brush. I got everything all covered up for the rain. Because of the rain. Okay. I got this big ass brush. Not exactly what I'm looking for, but it looks like it'll work. Good enough for government work. All right, that is nice and clean. So now we can start working this handle in. See how this all works out. So handle, let's line it up. Let's see, it's a little offset. So I don't have a reference to what the center would be. So we're just gonna eyeball it here. And there she goes. So wiggle it in. Little by little, it's going. All right. And then let's see. Goes. Yes, sir. Here we go. Bam. Nice. Ooh. Hell yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Look at that. It's nice and flush there. It went all the way through. So, one more time. Let's go this way. All right, we're flush. Let's see if I can flush it up a little bit more. This way. Yep, that's about as good as it gets. So now we're ready for these guys here. So here are my wedges. The wooden wedge, the wooden wedge hole, and 2 little metal wedges. 2 little metal wedges. All right. Now, I think this is a little too big. Yep, it's a little too big. Can we drive it in there? I'm not sure about that. That's the way it came though. So, is the presumption here that we force it? Or do we cut it down? I think what I'm gonna do is cut it down by about that much right there. Okay, let's mark it. Let's see, so I would want to cut it about right there. All right. So now that I have that marked, I could just drive it down right there. Let's see. There. Oh shit. These wedges, mijo. You're losing the wedges. Dang, it's going crooked too. Don't want that. Fuck, it's taking an angle with that grain. First, let me recover my wedges. All right. Wedges are safe now. But this thing keeps going at that angle. God damn it, Jorge. This thing keeps going at that angle. It is going to cut about right there, and that's way small. Don't want that. So in that case, let's drive it in like that. Send her home. All right, let's see. Best way to do this, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Just trying this shit out. Crossing my fingers that it works. But it's not. Okay, it's getting stuck right there. And did I drive it in too deep? I don't know, maybe I did. Let's see if we could loosen that back up. Back out. Yeah. It is. Got a mean old break in it. So, maybe the best way to cut this will be with a chisel. With the shiso, mijo. Get the shiso. I don't know what they call shisos in Spanish, but I have a shiso right here. Oh, there's that damn brush I was looking for. Well, too late for that. All right, where's the shiso? Pinche shiso, ¿dónde estás, güey? Fuck. Where the fuck is the shizzle at? God damn it, Jorge. You got me fucking searching for all kinds. There's another goddamn brush like the one I needed. Fuck, if I would have just opened this up and checked, I probably would have seen it a lot sooner. Okay. Fuck are you at, chisel? Chisel. Can't find it. Can't find the chisel. For Rizzo. Can't find the chisel for Rizzo. Alright, so then I guess I'll just fucking strike it with the fucking screwdriver here. Right there. Right there, just like a splitting wedge. Just like in a splitting wedge, mijo. Where's the fucking hammer at? Hammer time. Here we are. Alright. Let's try that out. Bam. I need something more firm. Alright, on the ground. There we go. Ooh. That's a little too much, huh? Hope not. Okay. I see why it has a fucking knot. Great, they sent me the fucking wedge with the goddamn knot in it. bullshit right there. You're an asshole. There we go. Alright. Well, it's not the greatest looking wedge, but I think it will do. A lot better. Not exactly where we wanted, but it is a lot better. All right. So, oh yeah, it's going in nicely. Okay, keep going. Put it right here with the legs right. Okay. Shall we do it with the hammer now? Let's try it. It's going, it's going. Let's see. Well, I just grenaded the damn thing here, but I'm gonna need to saw that off before I drive the wedges into it. For sure. That's as deep as it went. All right. I don't have a saw, but I do have this guy on me. Let's see. All right, that's a lot better. Now, we're ready for the wedge. Wedge, at a bit of an angle there. Okay, let's get that angle right there. And we'll drive two of them. So we'll space them out enough. So let's go right there. Damn it. Can't get a good hold on it. That's it right there. It's not the angle that I want. Let's try it again. Let's try that again. Right there. There we go, that's better. Oh, God damn it. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Dang, that didn't get good material there. Okay, that one's in. Next one, we'll drive it about right there. Right there. That's gonna be a lot better. It's coming in a bit of an angle. Right there. Help support it with my stomach. go. That's a lot better than my first one. Alrighty. Well, it looks like ass, but I think it's gonna do the job just right. And that right there is how I did it. Lesson learned, bring this a little bit more forward, probably a little closer to the center. Have a saw to cut that excess off so that it doesn't end up looking like ass. And hopefully you get yourself a wedge that does not have a knot in it. And that's it, folks.